So it's butcher day here today on the homestead. It's butchering rabbit day because these rabbits costing us too much money in feed, and
We put off butchering for a really long time because we've been busy with other stuff.
so they're supposed to be done like 6 months ago, maybe a year ago. But the feed to cost ratio for what you're getting out of the meat is not really worth it. So we're just gonna get rid of them. I think we have 20 rabbits to kill.
It would be different if we had no other livestock and they were small livestock and that's all we could have, but when we have all kinds of other options right now, they just end up on the back burner and not really priority, and we put them off way too long. So we're feeding them rather than a couple of months, like for a year or two, which is way too long, and we should not be putting that much feed into them. Rabbit feed's not really overly cheap.
No, they're pretty easy to butcher. We have a noose here, put the neck in and just grab the feet, done in 3 seconds. And then we just put 2 more little nooses up for the legs, and Kristen's good. She's better at butchering, even though I went to cooking school. So she's better.
Butchering school.
No, but it's still all involved. But we're just gonna pull all the skin off or the fur off, and then I'll go inside and I'll butcher it up inside, and we got some brine it, then we're going to try pressure canning, which we've never done. So that's the adventure for today on the homestead. Kristen's favorite thing to do. Well, not really.
It's nobody's favorite thing to do,
No.
but we need it done.
It's
so,
food.
Yeah.
Alright, hope you guys enjoyed that little video on butchering rabbits.